Hi, friend and techies. Welcome to UAX Talks. This is career advice. So, six advices we are going to give for you. Number one, settling for less. So, whenever you are settling for a less salary, less pay, so it will have impact on your financial. So, it will cause a financial strain. So, a lower salary might not meet your financial needs or goals. So, it leads to stress or challenges in managing living expenses, savings, and debt. Second point is feeling undervalued. So settling for less pay might make you feel undervalued or demotivated, especially if you know you have the skills or experience to earn more. Third point is limited career growth. So if the salary is low, it could indicate a fewer resources or investments in professional development, which might affect your long-term career progression. Of networking. So the points are limited career opportunities. So networking is a key to discover new job openings, promotions, and internal opportunities. Without it, you may miss out many chances to advance or change roles within your current organization or elsewhere. Second one is isolation in the workplace. So not engaging with colleagues, leaders, or other professionals can make you feel disconnected. So this can be lead to a lack of team cohesion or collaboration. Third point is stagnation in skill development. So networking often exposes you to new ideas, technologies, and best practices from others in your field. So without this exposure, your skills and knowledge may become outdated or limited to a small circle. Decreased visibility. If you are not actively building relationships or making connections, so it's easy to be overlooked when promotions, projects, or new responsibilities come up. Visibility in your professional network can help ensure you are considered for new opportunities. Overworking, you may sound like overworking is good like that, but it is not good. So, number one is burnout. Prolonged overworking can lead to burnout where you feel emotionally and physically exhausted, detached, and less productive. So, this can also diminish your job satisfaction and lead to a loss of motivation in doing jobs. Second point is stress and anxiety. So, it constantly pushing yourself to work beyond reasonable hours. So, of up to 8 hours you can work, or up to 9 hours you can work. That is fine, or 6 to 7 hours good working is fine. If you are doing more than that, it will not be good for your mental health and overall well-being. Physical health issues will also occur because of this. Giving up learning. So you should never give up learning whenever you are in the IT field. So stagnation and skill development. As industries evolve, new technologies and methodologies will emerge. So if you stop learning, your skill set becomes outdated, limiting or your ability to update, adapt to new trends or advancements will limited and decrease the job satisfaction. So when you stop learning, work can become monotonous and uninspiring. So growth opportunities often lead to more engaging and fulfilling tasks. Reduced career growth. So without continuous learning, it's hard to climb the career ladder. So employers value employees who show initiative, adaptive, and a commitment to growth only. Repeating mistakes. So this should be fundamentally avoided. So first point is loss of credibility and trust. So if you repeatedly make the same mistakes, your colleagues or supervisors or clients may start to question your abilities and reliabilities, which can damage your professional reputation. Decreased job performance. Consistently making errors can affect your overall job performance and productivity, so which leads to dissatisfaction with your work, and career stagnation will also happen. So you cannot able to promote yourself to new growth opportunities. Missing deadlines, so it should not be happen. So it will make loss of trust. So if you repeatedly miss the deadlines, your colleagues and managers you may start to doubt your reliability, which can damage your professional reputation. Stress and increased pressure. So missing deadlines can lead to added stress as you might need to catch up or rush to finish tasks, so which may compromise the quality of your work. Impact on team and company performance. So if your work depends on other team members or projects, delay can affect their schedules too, so resulting in a domino effect that can impact the overall productivity of the team or company. So it should be avoided. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment to UI UX Talks Front End Techies.